Thank you everybody for joining this live session. Straight away we are looking at CELZ stock, Creative Media Tech. It has gained 102%, obviously carrying over from the pre-market gains. So we're gonna find out in a minute what is behind this gain we are talking about here. Let's look at let's see what's going on. Okay, there's the news there. It says shares of Creative Media Technology doubled in the pre-market. Okay, and it's after the company said its stem spine procedure for the treatment of chronic lower back pain sorry, showed an 87% efficacy rate based on follow-up data from its pivotal trial. Okay. Okay, this company said there were no serious adverse effects reported based on the 2-year results. Stem spine uses a patient-owned bone marrow aspirate to treat chronic lower back pain. Okay, that's the news we got there. Let's see what the volumes are. $42 million. It's not optionable. 42 million shares have crossed the tape so far. Okay, let's look at RZLT. Okay, Resolute has gained 16.3%. Okay, so some news out there. The company announced positive results from the phase 2B RISE study of RZ358 in congenital hyperinsulinism. Okay, Resolute Inc. Study demonstrated highly significant improvements in hypoglycemia and good safety and tolerability. Resolute Inc. Okay. The study results will be presented in an oral presentation at an upcoming medical congress in the second quarter of 2022. Okay, we have a volume of 5.051 million shares. Okay, let's look at ZTEK. That's at ZTEK Limited. It's gained 27.45, but it's getting bearish at the moment. There's no news out there. 4.84 million shares have crossed the tape. It's not optionable. LBPS. Okay, fore HD Pharma halted, gained 62.13. Let's see what the news is. So is on track to hit, the stock is on track to hit highest levels in over 9 months if the gains hold. Combination of LBPS's drug MRX 0518 and Merck's Keytruda for treating renal cancer. Renal cell cancer met the main goal early in the study. Okay. 4 of the 16 patients with renal cell cancer enrolled in Part B of its early to mid-stage study achieved clinical benefit. LBPS is a live therapeutic drug, a class of drugs made from living organisms such as bacteria, and is being tested as a treatment for several types of cancer. LBPS is to continue recruiting patients for ongoing study of MRX 0518 in combination with Keytruda to treat renal cell cancer, the most common form of kidney cancer. Okay, it's not optionable. Trading is halted as well. CREX, that's the next one. Creative Realities gained 32.87. What's the news out there? Creative Realities reports fourth quarter and full year 2021 results. Expect 2022 revenue to exceed 43 million. Okay, 12.285 million shares across the tape so far. ALLG and Lego NV gained 16.55%. No news. 1.14 million shares of cross the tapes, not optionable. Okay, MULN Automotive down 4.68%. No news. 23.293 million shares of cross the tape, optionable. GameStop up 15.09%, strongly bullish. See, we're seeing huge gains here on the options. The $200 strike for the 1st of April, it's gained at 305. There's even more, 493% for the $265 strike, April 1st. Okay, let's see AMC. AMC is up 11, roughly 10%. Volume is at 27.22 million shares. HYMC. Highcroft Mining Corp. Up 8%. No news. Optionable. Volume is 13.93 million shares. IMPP. Imperial Petroleum up 1.31%. IMPP is equally optionable, but the options are not moving that much. TMC, the TMC Metal Core up 6.39. No news. Optionable as well. Okay, the $3 strike has gained 200%. $3 strike for the 1st of April series. TLRY. T-Ray Brands up 5.9%. Seems it's as a result of some social media buzz. Shares of weed companies gain pre-market after sources told Reuters that US cannabis producer CREX Labs Inc. is in advanced talks to buy rival Columbia Care Inc. for $2 billion. Kronos Group, Canopy Growth Corp, Some Diagros, Theory Inc. and Hexacorp, all rows. Okay. Theory is optionable. Volume is 11.594 million shares so far. Creative Medical Techs losing some of those gains. It had run up. LBPS. Okay, for the Pharma PLC. It's advancing further. It was halted earlier on. Okay, the companies indicated that they had some positive outcomes concerning their cancer drug trial. Creative Realities still holding at the mid-20s, mid-20 gains, mid-20% gains. Lego NV up 14.97%. Okay, I will continue to update you as things progress in this session of the 23rd of March. So thank you very much for joining this live stream.